Well, the kiddos are back in class, and it's important that they get a healthy start each and every day. So our friend, DIY expert Vida Urbonas, joins us right now, and she's going to make breakfast ahead of time and give us some hacks.
Yes, some hacks, because my kids just went back to school yesterday, and the hardest part is getting them out the door. So you want to be prepared. I spent all week kind of finding recipes, retooling them, prepping, and then you put them in the freezer. You can make this oatmeal overnight, the night before, and all of these other ones. My kids love these muffins.
Oh, wow.
A gluten-free version. So,
oh my gosh.
And these are healthy muffins, and they've got like Greek yogurt, they've got fruit, they've got chia seeds in it, and my kids have no idea.
How do you make it?
Okay, so we're going to start out with showing you a little bit of the video. Oatmeal in the blender. You blend it up, and that's how you make your flour, your oatmeal flour. Is 5 cups of that. Put it in the blender, blended it up, and that was kind of the base of the whole oatmeals. And so 5 cups of that. I doubled the recipe at one point because you want to freeze it.
Right.
Then you put in 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of sugar. From there, you add some baking soda. Then you add a little baking powder. Then I threw in my secret ingredient, the chia seeds that nobody knows about. Mix them up. Mash up a banana, 2 bananas that is. Then you add some eggs. You're going to mix all of that in with some Greek yogurt. I added vanilla Greek yogurt, the bananas, mix those in as well. Then I folded in some frozen blueberries in half, and then some frozen raspberries in the other half. Put them in there. Now, if you want them gluten-free, just leave them alone. If not, you make a crumb topping. And
nice.
For those really picky eaters. So that is that.
We went through it all really fast. You can go to her YouTube channel, which is theparentingchannel.com, for more info.
Yes.
Let's talk about the casserole bake.
Okay, so if you, again, kind of like a hearty meal, I would say this is not as healthy as those muffins, but 24 eggs. Added some milk to that as well. But I'm making 4 pans of this. So what you can do is you can make them, put them in the fridge, or freeze them. You got some sausage. If you want to go a little healthier on that, just use your egg whites, use turkey sausage, butter some bread, and then you're going to put them in these pre-made pans, just like that, upside down. Isn't that kind of cool? So
that is very cool.
Yeah, and then you spread them out in 4 of these 8x8 dishes, and then from there, that's when you add your sausage.
Yummy.
If you wanted to add something else, you could as well. Then some cheese on the top right there, and then you pour that mixture of eggs all over. Again, you want to put it in the fridge overnight, and then bake them, and then you can either have them ready, or you can put them in the freezer to take out later.
Right, and then zap it in the microwave.
They're really good.
Quickly, because we have 40 seconds left, the oatmeal in a jar.
Okay, oatmeal in a jar, you make it ahead of time, so you make it the night before, put some oatmeal on the bottom. Second layer is going to be your yogurt. Your third layer is going to be your fruit, so you got your berries, and then on top of all of that, you pour some milk. But if you want to go healthy, you can use coconut milk. Right before bed, you mix. So you can make these ahead of time. You mix it right before bed, put it in the fridge. It's ready the next morning. Here.
I love it.
I'll pull this for you.
And these great little jars too.
I know, that's fun.
All right, you can find all of Vida's DIY tips by subscribing to her YouTube channel, The Parenting Channel. You can also check out her website at cookcraftkids.com.